I'm Joseph Brooks, and this is Lawyer in the Kitchen. We're going to make cauliflower mashed potatoes. I mean, it's mashed cauliflower, but you know, this is what everybody's replacing. All the people who are on the keto diets. And honestly, this can taste good if you add enough stuff to it. Now, everybody's got their own way of cutting this thing and cooking it, you know, cutting the way they do. I like to just do it like this. I'm sure there's an actual way to do this. I've never found it, but this works. You get these off, and then I'm going to come in and cut this a little bit more like that. I'm trying to leave the heads together, little florets, as much as possible. And then you can just come in here and cut them off like this. You don't want to have that piece on there. You can separate them a little bit. You don't have to worry about trying to squeeze the ever-living bit of water out of this, okay? Because when you boil this and get them soft, they're going to be quite wet. And that's usually the problem in making mashed potatoes out of them, or making them like mashed potatoes. So we're going to put this on high, and like everything else, I'm going to have, but I'm not going to add pepper. I'm just going to have a little salt. I have no idea if this matters at all. It's a stick blender. This thing's fantastic. I'll lay it against the sink. Sink is clean. Get rid of all the water that's in the pan. And again, the measurement's very easy. It's a stick of butter. And I've left this Philadelphia cream cheese out as well, so it's soft. And Sharon, if you take the seasoned salt, watch this. You get the seasoned salt here? Oh yeah, it's up there. And also, did you get the paprika? What's the problem? You need a step stool? I keep it up. In fact, that's the only reason I keep it up there. I keep it up there so high, you know, and then I ask you to get it. Let's just do 50 fun. I just come down from the top, and once you get close, you see it's really too wet right now. It's absolutely too wet. But that's okay, we're going to fix that. Yeah, nice, you see how smooth that is? Alright, this is a smoked paprika, so it has a little, it actually does have some flavor to it. And it has some color to it, which is nice. And 30 minutes is about right. 30 minutes at 350. I've got foil on everything because I hate to clean. See that steam coming off it? That's why you don't have to do, when you put it in the oven like this, you don't have to squeeze all the water out of that cauliflower. You're going to get the consistency you want by letting all that steam come up and letting it dry out like that. It's still steaming, but you don't have to get every bit of that moisture. You don't really want to, okay? All right. So we give a spoon, that's good. Give a spoon. You have a bigger one over here? Here we go. All right. Now look at this, okay? See how clean that is?